tomorrow and not Sunday morning, right?
Yeah, I was going to say, I hope it's a frozen margarita because it's going to be hot out there tomorrow, but Sunday is when we see the potential for some storms. Sunday is a Gulf Coast weather impact day, so I want to get right into timing out the front. That's the most important part of the forecast. It's also the trickiest part of the forecast. The timing has shifted since yesterday. Now it is looking like the heaviest rain falls earlier on Sunday. There's a chance you sleep through the entirety of this weather maker, and then we see things try to dry out gradually as we move later on into the day on Sunday. These are your rain chances, so we skip a day. Sunday, this is what it looks like. Starting at midnight, carrying on to 1 o'clock in the morning, 40% coverage. We bump it up. I said while you're sleeping, and I mean it, unless you have a weird sleep schedule. We see the highest coverage 3 a.m. through 6 a.m., and even heading down 70% coverage 9 and heading towards midday 2 on Sunday. This futurecast also shows the similar thinking, at least when it comes to the timing of the front. Since it has sped up over the last couple of hours, it increases the severe threat for the northern part of the state. I don't have that for us here as we move through this weekend. I do have things getting gusty on Saturday, and that rain will move in late Saturday night for our northern zones. That's 11 o'clock on Saturday. We head to 1:30. That rain has draped its way across the northern part of the Gulf Coast, right over Punta Gorda. We continue onward after that. This is 3:30 in the morning. I do want to be clear. There is still time for the front to change in a way, at least in terms of how fast or slow it moves. So this timing still could be tweaked a little bit as we move into the weekend. It is still Friday, and we're expecting most of the rain to fall on Sunday. But right now, what we are thinking is earlier in the morning, 5 o'clock. I really mean early. This is 6:30 in the morning. We're starting to see things ease up just a little bit. Behind that main line, we could see a few stragglers start to move through. This is 8:30, and I think we still will have a little bit more rain on the map even as we head through Sunday afternoon, more than what this just showed, but the thinking is the bulk of it will be early on. So it's a Gulf Coast weather impact day over the next 3 days. That's what kind of stands out. We rarely show an icon like this. Plenty of sun through the rest of the day today and even through your Saturday too. Just remember, Saturday is going to be a little bit gusty out there. 30-mile-per-hour gusts possible across the Gulf Coast ahead of the front moving through. Then it moves through on Sunday. What's left after the front? It's going to dry out our air mass just a little bit. I still keep rain chances around Monday, even into Tuesday and Wednesday, but we lowered that coverage to only 10%. As we move through the rest of the week, we see those temperatures climb back up into the low 90s. Here's what the wind gusts look like for your Saturday. If you're going to the beach, secure that umbrella real good because we could see 30-mile-per-hour gusts around midday. I do have those wind speeds trying to relax a little bit as we move overnight, but as that front approaches, we still keep the breeziness around. That paired with the rain that we could see over the next few days. Over the next 2 days, the coverage that we'll see in the accumulation. So the rest of the day and into tomorrow, I'm not expecting a lot of rain. That's because the timing of that front. If we add Sunday into the mix, look at those rainfall totals jump up. I would pay less attention to the exact number and more to the trend that we're seeing. Usually this time of year, we get little setups here or there. Most of the rain falls inland. This is showing that we have the potential for accumulating rainfall across the Gulf Coast. If everybody saw 3/4 of an inch of rain, that would be wonderful. Do I think everyone's going to see that? No, I think some places will see a little bit more. Some places, unfortunately, will see a little bit less. That's a look at your Gulf Coast weather most accurate forecast.